Listen carefully. What animal makes this sound? Option A, cat. Option B, dog. Option C, cow. Did you guess it? It's a dog. Woof, woof. Great job. Here's the next one. What animal is this? Option A, bird. Option B, cat. Option C, sheep. Yes, it's a cat. Meow! Well done, Tiny Explorer. Please subscribe for more videos.